And check this out. It's now taking everything from Spotify and pushing it over to Apple Music. So, what's up everyone? This is All I Talk Is Tech. In this video, I will be showing y'all how you can transfer Apple Music playlists over to Spotify, or how to transfer Spotify playlists over to Apple Music. Or even if you have YouTube Music, I believe you can even do that as well. So, this will show you how to take music from Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, any music free service to download it or whatever. This will take any of those playlists and transfer them to a new music app, because it could be a pain in the butt if you're a Spotify user and you want to try out Apple Music and you do enjoy it and you got to switch, blah, 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 blah. Let me show you how to do it. First thing you want to do is visit this website. Look up SoundIs, like this. You could see soundis.com. Just look that up. And this is a website that lets you transfer everything. You just need to make an account. So once you actually make an account, let me go on this phone right here. You could see, once you create your account, it says no playlist to display. Tap on Let's Go. And then from here, it wants you to connect your Spotify, connect your Apple Music. So connect whichever service you want to be switching over. So when I tapped on the connect button for Spotify, this is my screen. You're going to want to log in with your Spotify, or if you have Apple Music, start out with that. I'm going to start out with Spotify and we're going to transfer to Apple Music. And the process is reversed if you're trying to do the opposite. You can see my Spotify now says connected, and that is because I signed in. I'm going to do the same with Apple Music. So just tap on connect right here. Boom. We're going to type in our Apple ID. Tap sign in to Apple Music. Once you've signed in, you're going to get a screen like this. I'm just covering my Apple ID. Just tap on allow. And when you are done on that screen, there is an X at the top. I'm on another screen, but it's literally the same thing. There's an X on top. Go ahead and click on that, and then you can view. Right now, I'm looking at all of my Spotify playlists. So I'm going to tap on, this is a playlist that I want. Maybe you have a playlist with all your favorite songs. I don't know why I have clown music. I'm going to take this. Or actually, I'll do the work all day. That's a good one. I'm going to take this, and I'm going to send it over to Apple Music. So if you scroll down, you'll notice it just has all of your playlists. Now what you want to do, once you have it selected, tap on the three dots next to it, then tap on Convert To. Wait a little bit. You can rename the playlist, set it as public, and then tap on Save Configuration. You can edit the playlist. Maybe there's some songs you don't want. I'm just going to select them all. There's a 200 track limit, so that kind of stinks. And then I'm just going to click on confirm. And it says, what is the destination you want to move your Spotify over to? So you can move it to YouTube Music, SoundCloud, Deezer, whatever. I'm going to be doing Apple Music. And check this out. It's now taking everything from Spotify and pushing it over to Apple Music. So that's pretty sick. Anyways, that is about it for this video. It's going to take some time. Thank y'all for watching, and as always, peace.